So it's good morning now. It's the second day from the Alsace area of France, and I'm here with Fred again.
Hello, good morning.
So Fred's going to show me a lovely little place in his village now, where it's a little garden. You told me.
Yeah, it's how do you say partagé?
It's divided or shared.
Shared
right.
garden, with different citizens. And the principle or the idea is that everybody can do what he wants in this garden, and in respect of the global culture.
So this is just outside the garden now, and so we're going to go in. Is that okay, Fred?
Yeah.
You lead.
So follow me.
Yep. Follow Fred. So Fred, I have a question. So like this is the little garden.
Exactly.
And people can plant wherever they want.
Exactly.
Now, can everybody work in every corner of the garden, or does one person reserve a particular spot in the garden?
No special spot. Everybody can walk where he wants, because you have some people who are in retirement.
Right.
They can come, I will say, every day, and
Yes.
other younger people who work, they can only come once a week. So everybody. Therefore, everybody can do what he wants and where he wants in this garden.
Well, what are these? Some of these are vegetables, some are flowers, right?
It's
It's kind of a mixture here, yeah. I think that's isn't that a vegetable over there?
Sure. This betterave, it's a red.
Oh yeah, red beet, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, lovely. And you've got flowers, and you've got cherry
sunflower.
tomatoes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you've got sunflowers here. Lovely little tree over here, and yeah.
So you have here some small tomatoes, some how do you say paprika?
Well, bell peppers.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's bell peppers over there. Let me see if I can show one like really, really big over here. That's a bell pepper. And yeah, lovely cherry tomatoes, I think. Yeah, lovely. And flowers. Yeah, but what is it? What vegetable is that?
I don't know.
Okay, let me see if I can see it from the other side.
Excusez-moi. Ceux-là, là, c'est quoi exactement?
C'est des potimarrons.
Ah, des potimarrons.
On a les mêmes petits. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Voilà, il y a
Yes.
des gens qui passent pour regarder.
Regarde.
Voilà. Mais oui, c'est très bien.
So it's not everybody that plants. Some people just pass by just to look.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Some people are walking, some people
people
are
are-
visiting. So we are also visiting.
Exactly.
Il y a toujours des fleurs, des betteraves rouges.
Ah oui. Mhm.
Voilà.
Red beet. Yeah.
Red
again.
beet,
Yeah.
voilà, c'est
Mhm.
ça. Et
Lovely.
des courgettes.
Des
Donc,
courgettes.
là, il y a
Où est les
aussi des
courgettes? Ah oui. That's courgette.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's
Okay,
courgette.
Okay, that's courgette.
On a des plantes
Over there.
très spéciales que les gens ne connaissent pas du tout ici.
Et c'est
Ça,
c'est quoi?
particulier. C'est un
Ah, c'est ça
radis
aussi.
serpent. Oh, pardon. Un radis serpent.
Ah, radis serpent. Okay, it's like yeah.
Alors en fait, c'est un condiment, mais qui est assez fort. En fait, c'est pas évident.
Oh, so it's actually a
Quand vous-
spice rather than
Voilà,
yeah.
on le
Mhm.
coupe en petits morceaux dans une salade.
Ah,
un peu
Pour
comme un
voir
piment,
ça,
là.
ça sent le radis.
okay,
Si
so you
vous
can put a
croquez
little bit
dedans,
of that
ça
in a
sent- vous savez,
salad.
ça a la force du radis. Voilà, c'est des.
And it tastes like radish, yeah, like
curiosités,
horseradish
quoi.
Ah ouais.
probably.
C'est bon. Hein.
C'est bon, moi.
C'est bon
j'ai beaucoup aimé, quoi. C'est
Mais
très
je pense que dans une
fort.
salade,
Voilà,
là
dans
ça
une
vient
salade.
maintenant. Ouais, ça vient
Voilà,
maintenant,
c'est
ouais.
ça.
En fait, ça remplace l'oignon. Il n'y a pas besoin d'oignon.
Oui,
ouais.
non.
Look at that. We have some really red chili over here. Green chili and red chili.
Oui, il est joli.
It's
Ah,
from,
that's fantastic.
French
Voilà.
piment from Espelette. It's,
Ah, le
it's,
piment,
from south
piment français.
South
Mhm.
of France, yes.
There's a
You can
very,
find it
very
in the
big red
Basque-
one.
in the Basque country.
Oh, yeah, okay. So,
Voilà.
yeah, you find it in the north of Spain then.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's actually French.
Yeah.
French and
Exactly.
Spanish. Some people have a little sign over here.
It's a method to have this garden. It's called permaculture, and permaculture is the idea is to mix vegetables and flowers, because some flowers can protect the vegetables against some kind of animals,
Predators.
Voilà.
Right.
and also on the other side. And yes, and also some flowers or big vegetables can protect the other against the sun, because they are bigger. So the other smaller vegetables can grow better.
There's a war going on.
This is the idea of the permaculture, to find équilibre.
Oui, un équilibre.
Yeah, no, a balance.
Équilibre,
A balance.
Essaye de
natural
faire comme la
balance.
nature.
Yeah,
Voilà.
yeah, a balance.
Des parapluies pour essayer de faire de l'ombre, mais
Ah, that is the function of the
Yes.
umbrellas.
Yeah.
Okay.
yes, it's not against the rain, it's against
It's against the sun.
Protect.
Ah, ça, vous l'avez déjà vu,
You've
l'artichaut?
got some pumpkins here.
Parce que
That's
ça,
lovely.
on n'en voit pas souvent des fleurs
Madame,
Yeah, coming over.
you have here, I don't know the English name,
Fleur.
artichoke.
Artichoke, yeah, artichokes.
Artichokes.
Bon,
Okay.
les autres ont terminé de
Ah.
fleurir, c'est vraiment... Il y avait juste une abeille dedans.
Ah, okay.
So this is the flower,
It's
and after
delicious,
them you have
yeah.
more the
Ah, okay. So the flower kind of goes away, withers away after some
Exactly.
time, and this is what you
and
get
this
after
is-
that.
yeah, and
Voilà.
after
So-
that.
On ne peut plus les manger.
So
une
here
fois
you
qu'ils ont
can see
fleuri.
actually how an artichoke
C'est l'un ou l'autre, on est obligé de choisir soit
formed.
l'artichaut, soit la fleur.
Okay.
Donc on choisit la fleur, nous, mais...
So you have to eat it before the flower is coming.
Oh, I see. Okay, so the flower comes later.
Yeah.
Ah,
And,
okay.
as soon as the flower comes, you cannot
Eat it anymore. Okay.
Il y a... on mélange, quoi. Donc là, il y a une aubergine. Il y a une aubergine blanche.
Une aubergine blanche. Where's that? Where is it?
On en a cueilli
Là-bas.
une,
Oui,
voilà.
ah.
On en a
Okay.
cueilli une.
Look at that.
cueilli
That
une
is
hier.
a white aubergine,
Voilà.
a white eggplant.
Oui, elles sont très bonnes.
Yeah.
Voilà.
And they're
Donc,
supposed to be very good.
Là,
J'ai
par
essayé,
exemple,
j'ai-
on voit que des tomates biologiques, sans engrais chimiques.
Okay,
Ont
so
quand
this
même
is
de
all
très bons
without
rendements,
adding
hein.
any chemicals at all. It's all natural.
Yeah.
There's also an irrigation system. I can see a black pipe passing through most of the place, so there's got to be an irrigation. Yes, there is an irrigation system.
I don't know how do you call
The basket.
the canton,
the basket.
yes. Is
It's a
also
huge
made.
basket.
Is also made from somebody who lives here in Muttersols. This is his job, is to make
Baskets.
chairs and baskets in
Okay.
this kind of material.
Right.
Osier, it's called.
Yeah.
And yeah, I would say this
So
was a
he-
present from.
Yeah, exactly. He donated it to the
Exactly.
garden.
Here you can see one.
Oh,
It's
Yes,
already
exactly.
lit and
Yeah,
she
yeah,
will
it's quite
be.
a-
She
yeah.
will grow.
Yeah. Okay. How big?
Hokkaido
How
is
big
the
does it
name.
become? Very big.
No, like this.
plus ou moins.
Maybe
Mhm.
10 kilo.
Oh, ouais.
Yes.
So you
10 kilos.
have to come in September, end of September or in October again to see the
Yes.
result of the
If,
curve.
if that's
we
an invitation, I'm going to say yes.
Last year we made